Hey guys, I thought I'd give you a quick preview of the course I've been working on for learning VCarve and Aspire and everything. You can see over here you'll have a % complete as you complete lessons. It'll load here and you come up to from 0 to 100%. You got different chapters. I tried splitting it up into like bite-sized chunks, so it's not all at once. We got like getting started. I'm making a list of like common used terms for anybody beginners that aren't familiar with all the terminology. In each lesson too, you can also come over here to discussion. You can create a post on the side here. Everybody can have discussions together on the side. And we can close that out. Comes back over to our lessons over here. Some of them will have downloads, like keyboard shortcuts I have on this one. And we can go to another chapter here. And when you watch a video and complete the lesson, you just click down here, complete and continue, and you can see it'll put a checkbox there, and now it says 1% complete. And every time you do that, it'll check off the lessons you did, and then at any time you can come back and rewatch lessons if you need a refresher or anything like that. And then also at the end of each chapter, I'm putting a little couple question quiz with a multiple choice, so you can kind of refresh your memory on the videos you just watched. And each video I'm trying to keep under like 20 to 15 minutes. A lot of them are shorter than that, just so they're nice bite-sized chunks you can watch and not be overwhelmed with information. And then on each video I'm putting the keyboard shortcuts that are used inside that video, and I'll have chapters on every different feature of VCarve, Aspire, and Cut2D. The only thing I'm not covering in this course is going to be the 3D modeling. I'll do that in a separate course just because there's a lot involved in 3D modeling. I'll just have the basics. I have this 3D modeling tools for VCarve. I'll just do the basic things you can do in VCarve with 3D models. But this is what I got so far. Right now I have up to chapter 4 completed, and I'm working on 5 now. And it just takes a long time to film and edit the videos. That's what's taking the longest. So once I get those all done, I'll have everything completed here. My goal is to have it ready for the week of May 4th. So hopefully within the next week or two I'll have these all done. And you can see also when I put on screen the keyboard shortcuts, so you can easily recognize the keyboard shortcut as you're following along with the videos. Yeah, that's what I got so far. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to sign up, just go to the link I should have in the post here, and just enter your email here and just click submit, and then I'll email you a link to the course when it's all ready. I'm also going to be changing the branding of my channel from Kyle's Workshop. I'll be changing it over to, it's called Learn Your CNC, and I figured that would be a little bit easier name to remember for tutorials.